Hi, in this video you will know how to custom payroll reports and how to process the payroll template in this. So let's see how to do it. Hi, today I'm going to tell you about the new features in this software. For this, just click on payroll reports and then after that process it. Any salary report, whatever you have maintained in this. Now you can see these features like custom payroll reports and custom payroll template process. So first is click on custom payroll reports. In this, just click on this. You can unselect all and you can select whatever you want, whatever columns you want in this template. Just click on that. Employee code, you can add employee code, gross salary, basic salary, HRA, conveyance according to you, and just submit it. So it will be look like this: employee code, gross salary, basic salary, HRA, which you can download also as a CSV file. Just click on download. So it will be download in this. So the next feature is custom payroll template process. For this process, you have to add the custom payroll template here. Just click on this. In this, click on add new button. In this, you will give a name to that template. I'm just adding, for example, you can add according to you. So whatever columns you want in this template, you can select here, like gross salary, basic salary, employee code, HRA. You can add according to you whatever columns you want in this template. It will show you only those columns and just save it. So it will be saved in this. So just get back to that payroll report and then process. Just click on custom payroll template process. So you can process it. In this, select your template, whatever template you want to select. You want that template. I'm just selecting this one and just submit it. So it will be look like this. You can it will show you those columns, whatever you will add in this, which you can download as a CSV file in this.